Hello. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate my AI accelerator to automate retail process. So this is the overall architecture of entire solution. We created a front end in AGUI, use Google ADK framework to use agentic flavor, and as per business need we created 5 agent: product advisor agent, inventory agent, shopping agent, review analysis agent, customer support agent. From backend, we use Elasticsearch as a AI platform. So from product as advisor data, we have a image data. So we created using image mind embedding model. We use created vector, mm, uh, create image embedding and store vector that this vector in Elasticsearch cluster. Similar way from inventory data, customer shopping data, dress or review data, or we have a frequently asked question as form of unstructured data. And here the all the AI platform we use Elasticsearch. So here you can see the roles and responsibility of each and every agent. And yeah, this is means how Elasticsearch work for NLP query, semantic query, or exact query you can see here. And this is the overall data source. Okay, let me show you each and everything in detail. This is my Elasticsearch. I go to free trial, and here you can see in customer shopping CSV I have a 90,000 document. What is the storage size? For similar way, FAQ, product data, inventory data, woman dress data. Okay, if I look of the one of these data, so these are my, if I see my data, so these are my review data, or here is the review of this product. And here you can see I get data from Kaggle. So yeah, this is overall structure. Let me go to each and every. So as a backend framework I use Google ADK framework. So if I ask some question, so here you can see that a root agent will, if we want to it, yeah, here you can see this is a more agentic work. My product as advisor data have these 5 rule: review, inventory, shopping agent, and this agent. If I ask question, it will answer. Similar way I use AGUI to create a UI, and here you can see if I ask this question, and it will answer positive, neutral, and negative answer. So if you want to search individual agent, we can use it. So similar way, if we can say hi, it will answer. And all the necessary code and everything is available in here. And if you want to test this thing, test case is also available here, and in detail presentation file is available here. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.